a desert spell. I've asked the wind where he went that day. The wind just laughed, said, "Doggy, don't stay." He's a tumbleweed lover, breeze in his hair, leaves perfume and trouble in the midnight air. A whisper in the canteen, a shadow in the bay. No roots, no chains, doggy, don't stay. He's a low tide rider, never gonna pray. You can love him sure, but doggy, don't stay. Down in Brownsville, they still tell the tale of the man with a hat and a heart off trail. He played slow blues on a nylon string and made my head forget everything. He said, "I ain't cruel, just built to roam. Got a song in my soul and a truck with no home." Left a kiss on my cheek, then slipped away with a wink and a whisper, "Doggy, don't stay." He's a slow hand gambler, night parade, a ghost in the heat where love won't fade. He light my flame, then drift away. No promises, baby, doggy, don't stay. He's a cactus flower, born to stray. You can miss him bad, but doggy, don't stay. Ain't no use in calling him back. He's a song on a jukebox you can't track. By the time you feel it, he's long gone. Just that smell of smoke and a half-played song. Doggy, don't stay.